Hi and welcome back, guys. So we are back with the career and finance readings by a zodiac sign. So we are going to start with the sign of Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, or if your Saturn is sitting in the sign of Aries, this is the reading for you for the month of March 2021. So the first card that I have for you guys is the Two of Chalices. Now, Two of Chalices, showing up here, especially when it comes to your career and your finance, tells me that you are going to start something which is going to keep you happy, which is going to keep you satisfied. Something that's actually going to be like helpful for you to grow, and something that's going to bring peace, emotional satisfaction to you, because having emotional satisfaction in your career is like you don't feel like you're working, you just feel like you're enjoying what you're doing. And at the bottom of the deck I have the Witch card. So the Witch card tells me, it's basically the Magician card. What it also tells me is that for you guys, financially, or career wise, you'll be able to do pretty good. You'll be able to manifest whatever it is that you want. So if you have been manifesting a great job, a great career, a great role, a great team, a great project, it is coming your way. The Witch show here, it also shows up that you have the power, you have the magic to turn the situation around. So what if you end up being in a role, in a job which is actually closer to somebody you love as well. So maybe you want to move closer to someone, and magically things will work out, and you'll be able to have that flexibility. So the energy with these two cards right here is that you and the universe together will be able to create a situation where both you and the person that you love is happy. So somehow it is actually related to your personal life as well. Maybe the personal life has not been stable and you are trying to figure out what else I can do to make it stable. So that is happening. The next card I have for you guys is the Seven of Wands. Seven of Wands here tells me that you have a lot of organization to do. Maybe things have not been as stable at home, or at workplace. Might be a lot of you, there's what I can also see is that a lot of you might also be working from home. And because you are working from home, you really need to set up a space. And after COVID, it's high time that people actually set up like a home office space where they can work, because this tells me, the Seven of Wands card tells me that a lot of you will be making a lot of physical efforts for a client, for a project, for your career. And one of the easiest remedies, or one of the easiest things that we actually suggest people when they're having problem with their career, is that they need to clean up the southeast corner of their home. So if you clean up the southeast corner, and you are having troubles in your work, things can get better for you. The next card I have for you is the Ace of Thames. See, this is the Ace of Swords. So you are having a new beginning. You are going to have, a breakthrough for a lot of people. What also I can see is that your career is being impacted by your personal life. I have said before, maybe now you have to make a choice between whether you want to be with this person, or you might have to move across states, because Seven of Wands also tells me that some kind of movement will be involved, some kind of organization, some kind of timetable has to be made, so you can work better. Only then will you be able to achieve the breakthrough that you have been seeking. The next card I have for you. See, number 14, the Sin. That means you are magical. You have the magic power. Like, guys, you are amazing. Like, you are amazing in a sense that you have the energy, you have the passion. All Aries people by default have the energy and have the passion, and it's going to work out for them. See, it's like ace, ace, ace. A lot of things are happening. You're going to have a lot of movement. So here you are going to do the physical work. So the first half of the month, a lot of physical work is going to happen. But after this physical work, the second half, a lot of thinking is going to happen. You're going to think about a lot of things very strategically, and that's going to work out for you in your favor. Let's see, what else do we have. See, is a Knight of Chalices. Some kind of good news is coming towards you in your workplace. So for guys who are trying to figure out a new source of income, I feel like, you know, what you have to do is you have to really understand what it is, what your agenda is, or what your end goal is. And investment would be something I would suggest that you do, because from investing you'll be able to earn, you know, a second stream of income. But from your job wise, I do see, you know, for some of you there will be movement. You'll have to go to a different town, or you know, relocation. Remember when I said you'll have to travel, maybe you'll have to change your town or change your city. But it seems like, you know, to go to work, or you know, if you get a new job, to go to that new job you'll have to do significant amount of traveling. That new job might be a little bit, you know, away from where you are currently working, or where you know, where you stay. You are going to get to explore your creative passions in it. And Ace of Chalice, we're starting the card with Two of Chalices, and we are ending on the Ace of Chalices. So for you guys, the month of March is going to be amazing in a sense. I think I can pick up like the couple of, you know, energies, and kind of summarize it for you. You are going to end up doing exactly what you love. You, if you have been waiting, you know, for a job that lets you you know, explore your creativity, use your passionate side, and at the same time, you know, it lets you travel, it's let you explore your boundaries, and you know, explore things that you are meant to do. The new job, or you know, the next portion or the next level of your career is going to bring you that. uh Promotion, yes, for some I do see promotion, because I see, you know, some kind of happy news. And I think, because of this promotion, because of, you know, promotion could be both vertically or horizontally, so more responsibilities, or going up, you know, vertically. So all those things are possible, but you would be traveling. Many of you would 100% be traveling, either short distance or long distance, to, you know, work out with a client in regards to your career or for your finances. Some of you might also be selling either a property or a car, but you would be selling something, you know, in the month of March. So let me know if this reading resonates, and don't forget to check, you know, your tarot horoscope based on your date of birth.